Modern backyard kitchens has pushed the standards of the art of cooking to new heights. The outdoor pizza ovens are now the latest and hottest outdoor cooking equipment on the market. In this video we're checking out the top 5 best outdoor pizza oven kits for you right now available on the market.
I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5. Napoli Wood Fire and Gas Outdoor Pizza Oven. Durable, spacious, and versatile, the Napoli Pizza Oven is ideal for outdoor use. This gas and wood-fired oven work well in the patio as well as at a campsite. Its innovative design that uses various fuel sources including wood, charcoal, wood pellet and gas allows you to pick your preferred fuel source. Also, this model will not only do a great job when it comes to cooking pizza but also other food variety, including meat, vegetables and fish. Moreover, it provides tasty gas-cooked or wood-fired results that your guests will appreciate. When it comes to portability, we were surprised by its lightweight yet sturdy design. This allows you to take it with you to any outdoor settings. Besides, the oven is well insulated, allowing it to reach temperatures of up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your pizza to achieve a perfect crust and delicious taste. What's more, its ample cooking surface lets you cook a large pizza alongside several burgers. At number 4. Camp Chef Deluxe Outdoor Camp Oven. If you are looking for endless cooking possibilities at your backyard, camping, or picnic site, bring this deluxe outdoor oven from Camp Chef. Featuring a versatile and portable design, the unit enables you to cook delicious pizza, grilled meat, fish, and other dishes. It comes in a contemporary design that enables you to use a skillet and cooking pans as you normally do when using your home stove. Plus, this model comes with control knobs that let you regulate the temperature for optimal results. What makes a model a perfect choice is its compact, portable design. It is compatible with a camping propane bottle that lasts for up to 7 hours. It also reaches high temperatures, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that all your food cooks fast. For added convenience, this unit also includes a built-in igniter and dial control. Moreover, thanks to the rugged stainless steel construction, this oven makes a perfect choice to bring along for your next adventure. At number 3. Camp Chef Italia Artisan Pizza Oven. If you are looking for a versatile oven that lets you cook pizzas, grill steak, and even bake bread, the Camp Chef Pizza Oven might be your best bet. It comes in a double-layered layer that boosts the heating dynamics, allowing it to bake like a brick oven. Thanks to the fast preheat, this oven is ready to cook in less than 15 minutes. Pairing an inbuilt valve ignition and micro-adjust the valve, regulating the internal pressure is easier. This feature also ensures that you don't need to carry a lighter when using it in outdoor settings. The stainless steel construction and superior heater enable it to reach 700 degrees Fahrenheit heat within a short time. This ensures that your pizza cooks in less than 6 minutes. Besides, this unit runs on a 1-pound disposable propane bottle. Each bottle provides you with up to 2 hours of continuous operation, making it a decent choice if you are looking to cook many pizzas and other meals for a large crowd. For added convenience, this unit also includes a 5-feet hose and regulator that adapts to standard propane tanks. At number 2. Pizzacraft PC7001 PizzaQue Deluxe Outdoor Pizza Oven. Designed to replicate the performance of a traditional wood-burning pizza, this charcoal grill allows you to cook wood-burned pizzas in your backyard. This model enables you to convert a standard grill into a convenient pizza oven in one simple step. Its versatile design increases the cooking temperature up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The addition of the cordiarite baking stone also ensures even heat distribution, eliminating any hot spots. These features ensure that your pizzas cool evenly, fast and with a great smoky, authentic flavor. Better yet, contrary to what you may think, the exceptional performance doesn't mean that you have to break the bank to acquire this model. It is surprisingly affordable, making it a perfect choice for people working with a tight budget. Plus, this model is easy to install and includes a pizza peel that allows you to transport your pizza from into your grill easily. Moreover, you will get a pizza recipe book as a bonus. Finally, at number 1. VEVOR Pizza Oven for Outside, Portable Pizza Oven Kit with Pizza Stone. Our pizza oven kit fits most gas grills and pellet grills and can bake pizzas in 2 to 4 minutes. The temperature remains steady, yielding superior pizza. It can cook more than just pizza, also for steak, vegetables, and a variety of cookies and desserts. This grill pizza oven is specially designed to install on a 22 inches propane and natural gas grill. Compared with traditional ovens, this type of baking is faster, and you can get an authentic charcoal-flavored pizza. The pizza stone made of cordiarite ceramics can drain the external steam from the dough and promote perfect crust, making the inside moist and fluffy. The circular design makes the pizza bake very evenly. Our stainless steel pizza oven is anti-rust and corrosion resistant. The whole appearance is stylish and modern. Besides, the thermometer monitoring can prevent overheating and scorching in the box. This pizza maker kit can be assembled without tools. It can bake a crispy and neon-soaked pizza in no more than 2-4 minutes. You can also watch the pizza making process in real time, which is full of fun.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.